2,000 years ago, the Qin Zhidao, or Street Road of Qin Dynasty, and the Great Wall together formed the main artery and borders of the Qin Empire. The Great Wall was a shield, while the Zhidao was a spear. The Great Wall kept external enemies at bay, while the Zhidao allowed internal troop movements. In 212 BCE, the first emperor of Qin ordered the construction of a superhighway across the Louis Plateau, the Qin Street Road. It started from the Ganquan Palace in south and reached the banks of the Yellow River in north. It was more than 700 kilometers long and 60 meters across at its widest point, accommodating 10 chariots. The Ganquan Palace was the starting point of Qin Zhidao. At that time, 300,000 soldiers and civilians set out from here, crossing mountains and valleys along the way to the frontier. The scale of the project is breathtaking. A three-level defense system was built from frontier to the capital, Chang'an, and there were endless cities, post stations, and beacon towers along the way. Today, when we stand on it, we see not only a miracle of military engineering, but also an empire's ultimate pursuit of efficiency and control. In Fuxian County, Shanxi Province, the Qin people cut through mountains and filled valleys with 15-meter-high rammed earth to level and widen the road. In Qingyang, Gansu Province, the discovery of huge spiked stone runners suggested that the Qin people might have used the runner-like machines. These innovations were not for show, but for life and death gamble. When Xiongnu raiders struck, Qin troops could race from Guanzhong to the north frontier in just 3 days and nights. This superhighway made time a weapon. The glorious Qin Zhidao was created by 700,000 soldiers and prisoners. Ancient military records say delay means death. This was the brutal efficiency of Qin Empire. 4 years of construction brought 6 centuries of use, but also laid the fuse for the empire's collapse. The first emperor of Qin intended to consolidate his centralized power using this street road, but exhausted the people, leading them to rise up. The first emperor of Qin thought that this grand project would safeguard his descendants for 10,000 generations, but he himself only took this road after his death. The ultimate lesson that the Qin Zhidao lives for today is not how it was built, but for whom it was built. This road, born for war, became a bond of civilization in Han Dynasty. Silk, bronze ware, and wheat traveled north along this road, while the Xiongnu furs and jade moved south to Chang'an. A military passage ultimately enabled exchange between the steppe and the central plains. Han Emperor Wu sent war horses along it to confront the Xiongnu. Wang Zhaojun departed from here for a marriage alliance. A road built for war later became an eastern extension of the Silk Road. History's answer lies in rammed earth. What endures for 10,000 years isn't soil or salts. A truly great project must be marred by human endurance.